Hello everyone, my name's Rowan from the Mountain Soul School, and I'm going to teach my mom how to putt, and you can take tips that I tell my mom. So I hope you have fun watching, and this golf is a very good thing to do whenever you're stuck at home and you're bored. Okay, so I am going to putt to that basket and my mom, and I am going to putt with Piers. They have a latitude 64, and
So what's the first thing you do when you're learning how to putt?
well, basically you just want to get it flat. Like, here. Say if you're a beginner, you don't want to putt from too far away. Say, let's just say 10 feet. This is about 10 feet. I don't putt flat normally, so let's see what happens.
Woohoo!
So that was flat-ish, but we want it to be flat and hit the pole, like dead center of the pole. And
How do you hold it?
well, there's multiple different ways you can hold it. Normally, you're supposed to hold it like this, but I like to hold it like this because it's more comfortable for me and I can get more power out of it.
Okay.
Some people hold it like this or like that. Basically, any way it feels comfortable for you. Mom, which one do you want to use? That one? That one? That one? That one? Or that one?
Ooh, check out our Mountain Soul School discs. Oh yeah, woohoo! Well, I don't know the difference, but is it important? I mean, if you're just starting, does it matter what they're throwing?
I mean, not really. I mean, if you're just a starter, just use putters for putting and mid-ranges for like up shots and drivers for like tee pad shots.
Okay, so here we go.
Alright, now my mom's going to do it, and I'm going to give her some tips, see if you guys...
Okay, I'm holding it like this.
Alright.
Okay, so I'm going to try to go flat, and I'm going to aim for the middle where the chains are. Yes?
Yeah, at the pole.
Okay, trying again.
Here, Mom, another tip I forgot to say. Don't let it wobble.
Don't let it wobble. I don't know how to not let it wobble, but okay, here we go. Ready?
Here, Mom. If you're going to put it on hyzer a little bit, get to the right a little bit. So it's going hyzer out and go in the basket.
What's hyzer?
Whenever you put it like on an angle, like anhyzer.
Okay, here we go. This is the one, I feel it. Oh! Okay.
Oof.
Don't you worry. I'm gonna
You
get
got
this last one in
raw.
there. See? Anybody can do it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Just saying, Mom, you're doing really good for a starter. Alright, my mom is trying for a second attempt. See if she can make at least one. Aw. Good job, Mom.
Okay, if I can do it, you can do it too. And apparently, you can just like hit a tree or a chair.
Yeah. If you don't have a basket, you can just use like a chair or a tree. But if you live in a neighborhood, there's no trees nearby, just use a chair.
Now we're gonna watch Rowan.
Yeah.
And there you have it. Mr. Rowan Critter Oshabaisi here with the Mountain Stewardship and Leadership School. Encouraging you to get outside, try a new thing.
Again, come to Mount Soul Tournament if you never came to Mount Soul Tournament. This was the stamp from this year for our putters. This is the stamp from last year. And it was super fun. And if you come, I hope you will have fun too. And I hope you like this video.
Anything that you have to say to all the kids right now that are stuck at home?
Stay off your devices.
You think they should get outside?
Too much devices. Definitely.
Okay.
I mean, like by that, I mean you can still like get on devices, but not as much as usual.
You think it's good to get outside?
Yeah.
Why?
Exercise.
Yeah. Okay. Well, thank you, Rowan.